So good morning, everybody. This is Randy and Tammy with Cause for Travels, and today, or this morning, very early morning, it's about 7:30. So for us, it's not early. For some of you vacationers, it may be. We are at Disney's Yacht Club. While we have this truck pull up right beside us, couldn't have come better on cue, right? So we're at Disney's Yacht Club, and why are we here?
Well, we're going to show you this absolutely stunning resort. It's a more upscale one. It has a New York or a New England themed yacht club. It's just absolutely beautiful. We stayed here
over a decade ago.
over a
like
decade
2010, 2011.
And the one thing I remember, it was beautiful, and they had the most comfortable beds. I remember that bed. It was absolutely best night's sleep I
Which
had.
inspired Randy to have to go buy a bed to match Disney's. You can imagine how that went. So.
I'm telling you, we've stayed at Disney's all end of their resort price area type things. The lowest one had the worst beds in my life. I mean, they were horrible, but this one had the best beds. I loved it. It's absolutely beautiful, stunning, relaxing. I can't say enough about it.
So instead of just showing them this beautiful resort, what's your other plan?
Now, for another video, we're going to have breakfast.
We're going to do Ale and Compass while we're here also. So it's going to be, you'll see the resort in one, and then you're going to see the Ale and Compass in another. So, and we'll show you the restaurant. So come along and we'll show you inside.
one of the best things about staying at this beautiful resort is you could walk over. There's a bridge you can go over, and right across this waterway is the boardwalk, which has some restaurants, a nightclub, and they're building some new things, a bakery. They got a new sandwich shop that we have to try. But not only that, is you walk along the boardwalk over there, you could actually walk to EPCOT. EPCOT is just not far. And then you could take the boat. You don't have to walk. You could take the boat over to EPCOT. You could take the boat over to Hollywood Studios. This is a very nice resort. It's worth looking into if it's your type of resort.
So this is part of, I think it's between the Yachtsman and the Beaches Club, but this is a slide.
Both.
Yeah, this is a slide. So you climb up this ship, and at the very top up here, you climb on and you go down this slide right here. Your kids will love it. And if you're a kid like me at 50-some years old, you'll love it too. Okay guys, well that is going to do it for us today at Disney's Yacht Club, and hopefully we gave you just kind of a sneak peek of what you had, or you know what it has. We also kind of crossed over a little bit, and I'll let Tammy explain. There's another resort, the Beaches.
It's connected.
Yeah, so it's all the same. You got the Yacht Club and the Beaches, but so you did get a little bit of a shot of that, and we showed where it's connected, but
And you have some wonderful restaurants. Like I said earlier, you're close to EPCOT, and you know, right across the way is the boardwalk. But I hope you could see that you can even see the gondolas here. So honestly, if you wanted to walk over or take a boat over to the gondolas at EPCOT, even though you do not have a ticket to EPCOT, you could hop on the gondolas for a free ride. You could have a free ride on the boats, and then you can go and see other resorts. We love looking at the resorts. They're absolutely beautiful. And then they have a nice restaurants too if you're looking for something new to eat.
Yeah, so we go resort hopping on the gondolas. We'll find a way to get on the gondolas and just go resort hopping all the time. But
the boats are nice.
You can see in as to Tammy's point, you're so close to EPCOT and then the boardwalk right across the way that you've seen, that you had this mother and her two sons, which I was very impressed with, that were jogging, and they made a loop through the resort, up around boardwalk and back before we shot all the scenes for this video. But so that's how close you are.
This is a very, well, they didn't go that far. I mean, the bridge is right there. You can see it. They don't go clear down to EPCOT.
Hey, some people don't run that fast. So.
But it's a beautiful, relaxing resort. It really is. There's a lot of amenities. There's a lot to do. As you can see, you could rent or charter a boat and go fishing. There's a lot of places here on Disney property that you can actually do that. But it is beautiful. It really is. It's a very nice resort. Like I said, they have the best beds.
We stayed here, like I said, back in 2010, 2011. I'm sure it's only gotten even greater since then, but I mean, it was a great experience for us and our whole family, you know, back then. So I can only imagine what over a decade would do to this place. So give it a try.
And you never know. We haven't been here at night to see if you could see any fireworks or any shows, but a lot of the properties at Disney, you can be somewhere, I would say like the Riviera on top. They have a wonderful restaurant. You can, if you could get reservations there, you could eat at the top in the evening and watch all the fireworks and all the shows from every place. But it is nice. You see a lot of children. You have a wonderful pool. It looks like they even have a
lazy river.
A lazy river.
Yep,
then the ship with that long, with the long slide. I mean, there's a lot to do at Disney properties. Even if you don't want to go to the parks every day, there is a lot to do.
There is, and this is, like I said, Tammy said, this is a great resort. So I think that's going to do it for us today. Yeah, you got anything else?
No,
that's going to do it to us.
So.
The sun's deciding to come out, and
it's a beautiful morning.
But from the Disney Yacht Club, if you like this content, whack our like I always say, we appreciate it. If you want to see more, subscribe. If you want to come down and stay at the Yacht Club, get a hold of Tammy at Tammy@causesfortravels.com or any of her social media channels. She'd be happy to set this up. She could set you up with everything, just like we did the Ale and Compass dining, you know, breakfast. They also have dinner.
I want to do that ice cream shop. I got a couple people in mind that
she wants to do the kitchen sink. So.
That's a lot of ice cream, but it's all different. But, you know, Randy and I couldn't.
Feeds 4 people.
I bet it feeds more than that, honestly.
Feeds 4 normal people. Okay, and then
that's a lot of sugar.
You got the Yachtsman Steakhouse in there for dinner.
We'll have to try that.
So
yeah.
So if you like our content, whack our like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Reach out to Tammy at Tammy at causesfortravels.com. Have her book you something like this. She'd be happy to do it. And until next time, guys.
Bye.